Hi guys, right, so I'm going to show you a nice easy knot to connect your fluorocarbon to your braid for sort of lure fishing, light lure fishing. I've been using this knot, a water knot, I'm going to say 3 turn for this. I've been using this for a long time for fly fishing, which is like mono to mono, Flouro to mono, and also a long time for feeder fishing, which is braid to mono, and also again mono to mono. And for the last couple of years I just thought, why not use it for my lure fishing? Because it's nice and quick basically to tie. So this will be your braid, it's just a bit of fly backing. So the braid from your reel, and this will be your fluorocarbon or your monofilament. So this is the quickest knot, the simplest knot I can find. And a lot of beginners struggle or get a bit, let's say, it's a bit daunting tying some of the big FG knots and stuff like that. So just give yourself plenty of line, lap that over, and we're going to just make sure we've got both ends and put a loop in the line, or 2 loops. So you've got that there, you can see, hopefully you can see that. So we're going to keep hold of this tag end and this braid on here, and then we're going to pass these 2 ends and all the leader through with both loops. We're going to do it 3 times. So we're going to, so I do it, so push it through, pull your leader through, twice, 3 times. Actually, I tend to only do 2 when fly fishing, but 3 is a pretty safe one. And then obviously we're going to wet that, so you'd lick that. I won't do that and show you all my spit. And then we're going to just cinch this knot up, so it's not going so good, or as evenly as possible. So the braid and the floor want to sort of tighten up at the same time. So just work at it, pull each end slowly, nice and steady. And then just do it gently. You can do it pretty quick once you know what you're doing. And then just give it a good tug. There we go, that's pretty strong now. And all you do then is snip the 2 tag ends down there, as close to the knot as you can, and that'll be fine. So that is 4 turn water knot. Takes seconds on the bank. Have a go at it. It is easy in the rest. Is it as strong as FG and Alberta? Maybe not, but it really hasn't affected me. It's just nice and quick and great for people who just wanted to get into it. Cheers.